Hi, the Inspired Actor here with today's bonus archetypal action of Take. Take. Begin in a neutral stance. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. Inhale. While taking a step forward on your right foot, reach your arms forward with your palms down. With a feeling of ease, stretch your arms in front of you, making sure that you are really stretching with your whole body fully activated. On an exhale, perform the following movements. Close your fists as if you are grasping an object. Stepping back to standing in an upright position, simultaneously bring your clenched fists to your core. While maintaining this position, radiate the feeling of the gesture with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded.
I take. I take. I take.
And that is Take. This gesture, as taught by the Great Lakes Michael Chekhov Consortium, is based on Leonard Petit's 6 archetypal actions. According to Mr. Petit, there are 6 statements of action that all other actions are based in. In his book, The Michael Chekhov Handbook for the Actor, he states that spying, flirting, and killing are all forms of taking. If you would like to read more about his take on Take, I'll put a link to where you can buy the book in the notes. As a reminder, these are different from archetypal gestures in that they refer to your actions only, and may not be useful with regards to finding a character or gesture of a moment, atmosphere, or play. Archetypal gestures can serve as a basis for action, character, scene, atmosphere, entire script, entire experience of that script, and much, much more. Personally, I'm not sure if I agree that spying is the same as taking. To me, spying seems more like a penetrate gesture, but I'm eager to see how you feel about it, so please let me know in the comments. Still, I can see how this might be a useful gesture. I can take someone's breath away, or I can take the legs out from under someone, and doing the gesture can activate a lot of great images in my imagination that I can work with in my acting. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments. As with all gestures, don't forget to use your full body and breath, and especially remember your feeling of form and your feeling of ease. See you all later.